Hi everyone, this is Dr.ethan, pharmacist, and welcome to my channel. Retinol is one of the most effective skincare ingredients, but it's also one of the easiest to use wrong. If retinol made your skin burn, peel excessively, or do absolutely nothing, chances are you're making one of these common mistakes. And mistake number 4 is the one almost everyone makes. Mistake number 1. Using retinol every night from day one. Starting too frequently overwhelms your skin barrier and leads to irritation, redness, and flaking. What to do instead? Start with retinol every 2 or 3 nights, then gradually increase as your skin builds tolerance. Mistake number 2. Applying too much product. Using more retinol does not make it work faster. In fact, it only increases irritation, not results. Correct amount. A pea-sized amount is enough for the entire face. Retinol works at a receptor level. Once receptors are activated, adding more product won't increase results, only irritation. If you want to learn more important details and practical tips about retinol, watch my main retinol video. The link is displayed here. Mistake number 3. Mixing retinol with the wrong ingredients. One of the biggest causes of irritation is combining retinol incorrectly. Avoid using retinol at the same time with exfoliating acids like AHAs and BHAs, benzoyl peroxide, and topical vitamin C. Better approach. For exfoliating acids and benzoyl peroxide, use them on alternate nights, not together with retinol. For topical vitamin C, apply it in the morning and use retinol at night. Mistake number 4. Skipping moisturizer and sunscreen. Retinol increases skin cell turnover, which temporarily weakens the skin barrier. If you don't moisturize properly or skip sunscreen, you're increasing irritation, making pigmentation worse, and canceling out retinol's benefits. Rule: retinol at night plus moisturizer, sunscreen every single morning. No exceptions. Mistake number 5. Expecting immediate results. Retinol does not work overnight. Your skin may actually look worse in the first few weeks. This is part of the adjustment phase called retinization. Visible improvements usually appear after 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Consistency beats strength every time. Remember, retinol is powerful, but only when it's used correctly. If this video helped you, subscribe, like, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.